Hi guys, welcome back to another day of seeing my silly face. The good news is that you won't actually have to look at my face for long during this video. The bad news is this is going to be one of those boring but super useful videos for you to learn from. So what are we going to be talking about today? Well, we're going to be continuing the series where I teach you how to open your trucking company, specifically how to get your authority. Now, I already made a video how to get your MC and DOT number, and I'll link it down below, but today we're going to be talking about UCR, BOC3, and of course the biennial update MCS150. Ready? Let's go! Okay, so step 1 is of course getting your MC and DOT number. And for that, just click the link down below to my other video called Getting Your Truck Authority, where I take you through how to actually obtain those numbers. Now, once you pay those $300 to the FMCSA, you will get a DOT number right away. About a day later, your authority will get registered in the system, and then you can go to step 2. Now, to make it as clear as possible, I will actually be doing some of these steps with you while I'm opening a trucking company for one of my clients. Now, of course, I'm going to black out all of that personal information, but you will get the general idea. Okay, so once you get that DOT and MC number, what you want to do is register with the UCR or Unified Carrier Registration. Now, this is only if you have an MC number and are planning on operating interstate. So here I'm sharing my screen with you right now to show you how to do this. It's super easy. All you have to do is go to ucr.gov and go here, and this is the website you will come across. Now, I'm going to do this with you guys together because I'm in the process of opening a company and helping with these filings for a client of mine, but of course I will be blanking out all of the, personal information. So, first thing you do is you have to put in your USDOT number. Remember, when you apply for that number, the USDOT and MC number, you get the DOT number right away. So this is where you will enter it in. So I'm going to enter my client's number in right here, and I will click Submit. Then it will ask you, is this you? And it will show you the USDOT number, the legal name of your business, and the address. If it is you, then you re-enter that USDOT number again. And you click Continue. Perfect. So once this happens, you will see all of your information here, the USDOT number, the legal name, DBA if you have one, principal address, mailing address, and base state. And then here, if you are new, you will see that you are unregistered for the current year, so you will click Register Now. So first you will enter your name right here, and then you click I agree, and you click Continue. Next is classifications. So usually if you are looking to work off a load board or work off the spot market or maybe dedicated lanes, you would be a motor carrier. If you're confused about any of these terms right here, all you do is you click the question mark and it will give you a definition of the term. Then you click Continue. Next, it will pre-fill how many vehicles you have, and this will be depending on how many vehicles you entered in when applying for that MC and DOT number. Or you can manually use option B and manually enter the total vehicles. In this case, I will say, let's pre-fill it, and we'll click Continue. Then you'll get this notice saying, did you include all interstate commercial motor vehicles greater than 10,000 pounds gross vehicle weight? Finally, you will have all of this billing information, and you will have to pay $59 for one truck. If you have 1 to 2 trucks, you pay $59. If you have more, the fee increases. So you will get this page, and maybe you will get a download right away. If you don't, you just click OK and you click View Registration. It will get downloaded into your files. So this paper shows that you are registered with the UCR for the current year, and it shows you when it expires. Here you'll have all of the information pertaining to the company and you're pretty much set. Now you will have to renew this registration by December 31st of every single year. And to renew it, you will follow those exact same steps that I just showed you. Okay, now on to step 3. Now step 3 is getting that BOC3 on file. And this is one of the things you will have to do in order to activate your MC number or your authority. Now you only need it if you're an interstate carrier. The second part of activating your authority would be getting that insurance on file. Now, in order to find a good BOC3 provider, you will go to fmcsa.dot.gov right here, and you will search for BOC3 right here. You will get to this little link, click on it, and right here are all the FMCSA recommended process agents who give you the BOC3. Now me, for example, I use the service of process agents. I have always used them and I am not going to deviate from them because they're amazing. This is them right here. So you click on their website, and again, we're gonna do it together because I am opening a company for one of my clients. So when you get to this website, what you will do is you will click I need a BOC3. Once you do that, you will get all of these things you need to fill out. Now, in order to actually register for a BOC3, you need the MC number. The way you get your MC number is either you wait for that mailed letter from the FMCSA to come to you, or you can use an online search tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to say, check the status of your FMCSA authority. So here, all you do is you put in that USDOT number. You click that you're not a robot, unless you want to share something with us, and you click search. Right away, you will get your company information. And of course, I blanked this out. Now you can get actually more information about your company by clicking HTML, and right away, you'll get your USDOT number, your docket number, which is also the MC number, which will start with a 01. Ignore that first 0. The MC number should be 7 digits. Using that MC number, you can then go ahead and process your BOC3. So again, I'm going to click on I need a BOC3. Then you click here, select type. It's an MC number. You will put in your MC number. You will also enter in your USDOT number right here. Then you'll go ahead and enter all of this in. So let me do it really quickly and get back to you. Once you fill all of this information in, you will click continue. If everything looks good in this step, you will click here that you authorize them to file any necessary designation of agent. And then here the cost is $150. Now this again depends on which BOC company you use. I happen to really trust this provider, so I always use them. I know that there are not going to be any issues with them. So after that, you just submit your registration. Right here, you'll have your MC number and DOT number together with your company name. You'll click Pay Now. So once you paid everything, you will be returned to this website and you're pretty much done. Now, all you have to do is wait for an email from them. The first email will come right away with a receipt, and the second email can come up to 24 hours later with your BOC3 active. Now, something to note, you will have to renew your BOC3 every single year depending on when you actually got it. So for example, right now we got it on January 19th for my client, which means by January of next year, he will have to go ahead and renew this BOC3. Okay, now the final part of this video is I'm going to teach you how to get to that form MCS150, which you will have to update every 24 months or anytime there is a change in your company. In order to be able to get to that form, you need a USDOT PIN. And I remember when I was starting out, I couldn't figure out for the life of me where I should get that USDOT PIN. So I won't actually be able to get a PIN with you guys because a PIN is something that you have to keep for yourself. Don't share it with anyone so I do not get pins for my clients, but I'll show you where to go. So first things first, you will go to fmcsa.dot.gov, and then in the search bar right here, you will put in DOT PIN. The first thing that should come up right here is request a PIN number. And here what you will do is you will ask to receive the USDOT PIN by email immediately. When I was starting out, we actually had to wait for it to be mailed to us, which took about 2 weeks. So you guys are lucky. So you'll click right here and you will click on Request Current USDOT Number PIN. Now, once you have this done, you will put in your USDOT number, the name of your carrier, your business name, the name of the company official, which will most likely be you and your title, as well as your EIN number. Once you click continue, you will have a choice between getting an email or a text message with a verification code, which is good for 30 minutes. Once you get that verification code, you will enter it in on the website, and you will get a text of the PIN. So with that PIN, and remember, keep it in a safe place, that PIN will be used to update your form MCS150. Now, how do you get to form MCS150? We're gonna go back to the fmcsa.dot.gov website, and then right here in the search bar, you will put form MCS space 150. You will click this first link, and then you will do complete the filing online. So you'll click right here. You will get this crazy looking page with different colors and too many words to handle. So let me tell you where to go. You will scroll down a little bit and you will click right here. I need to update my USDOT number registration information or file my biennial update MCS150. So you click right here, you click continue. Then you will click File Electronically. If you have a PIN already, you can go ahead and click File Electronically. Remember, I showed you how to get that PIN very, very quickly. So you will click File Electronically, and this is where you'll enter all of that information. Your USDOT number, your PIN number, your EIN, the name of the company official, which will probably be you, and your title. You will then click Continue. It will show right here once you click continue the name of your company, and then you'll click this is me, or yes, you confirm that this is your company, and you will be able to update all your information anytime you want. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope more of you start taking that first step towards owning your own trucking business, and I'll see you guys in the next video.